Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Singhania University's exam account. So let's get started. So to log into your Singhania University's exam account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Singhania University exam login. After searching for that option, you'll come up to this page. So after searching for that, now what you can do is just tap on this first option, which is Singhania Examination Portal. After tapping on that option, now in order to log into your examination account, what you can do is just simply enter your username and then enter your account's password. After entering your username and password, you can just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. That's it guys, this is how to log into your Singhania University's examination account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.